But now to John Edwards, his trial hitting a rough patch before it even starts. The former presidential candidate denying charges that he used almost $1 million in campaign funds to hide the pregnancy of his mistress back in 2008. ABC's Jim Avila has the latest on all that. Good morning, Jim.
Good morning, Robin. The trial is still expected to start next Monday, but more than a quarter of the jury pool has been dismissed in the John Edwards case after many said they just could not be fair.
50 prospective jurors will see the judge today, plenty to choose from, and few doubt John Edwards will finally get his day in court next week. The handsome one-time presidential candidate who liked expensive haircuts and is now a defendant, accused of soliciting nearly $1 million to hide his affair and child with an expensive woman from his cancer-stricken wife. And more importantly, prosecutors allege, from voters. He now knows who will testify against him.
This was completely John Edwards' idea, completely John Edwards' plan.
The star witness granted immunity for his testimony against the former senator, his aide, in charge of the cover-up, Andrew Young, who admits handling more than $900,000 from two wealthy supporters to pay for private jets, luxury hotels, and rent mansions where he and his family hid Mistress Raelle Hunter, a campaign videographer who called Edwards hot the first time she met him. Moments later, they were having sex at a Manhattan hotel. Now, more than 6 years later, the senator faces trial for conspiracy, accepting illegal campaign contributions, and making false statements. And there on the witness list for both prosecution and defense is his former mistress.
I didn't violate campaign laws, and I never for a second believed I was violating campaign laws.
His attorneys call the case crazy and expect to hammer away at Andrew Young's book and testimony, accusing him of pocketing much of the money. The defense says the checks may have come from donors, but they were personal gifts, not contributions.
This is a lousy case. This case is being brought just because everybody hates John Edwards, not because he broke the law.
The former senator's wife, Elizabeth, died during the scandal. The baby is now 4 years old. It's not known if her father will testify on his own behalf, but we do know that John Edwards' eldest daughter, Kate, is on the defense witness list. Robin?